Hey friends, I am here today with these ostrich feather dusters. Look how fun they are. They are so fluffy and they have the nicest feathers. Can you see them? Look how good they are. They're beautiful feathers, really. I've had these for, probably a couple years now. But let me tell you, I did not originally buy them for dusting. I have chickens and I had a mommy chicken who abandoned her chicks. And I was worried about the baby chicks and I wanted them to have something that resembled their mom. And so I was a new chicken mom. Don't hold it against me. I did have a brooder plate and my brooder plate had little feathers on the front of it, but I wanted mom. So I still couldn't figure out how to attach it in there. Whatever. These were in there with the chicks. I'm just saying, these things are holding up really well. There were probably 6 chicks in there with them. So chicks were pooping, peeing on them, and snuggling and sleeping in them. And so they stayed up under the brooder plate, which is just like a hot plastic thing, and the chicks would stay and they would sleep on it and snuggle in it. And they got gross, and I'd have to get them out every day and wash them with a hose and leave them out in the sun and let them bake. These things are holding up. That was a couple of years ago. They are so good. They're not even shedding right now. I had to go get these out of the garage to do this with you. I could dust my house with these. They're fine. They're really, really good. They're great quality. They don't want to come out at all. I'm pulling on them and they're not wanting to come out. That's some solid stuff. And I don't remember them being extremely expensive. I was so impressed. So impressed. If you're cleaning and ostrich feathers and you know that ostrich feathers work for you, these are the ones. You're going to want to do it. For sure, for sure. They're beautiful, if nothing else. Beautiful. So maybe you like to decorate with an ostrich feather duster. If you do, this is the one. If you want your chicks to snuggle with ostrich feathers, these are the ones. You can't go wrong. Do it. You're going to love it.